Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sort documents by name in the Google Drive app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, you have to open up Google Drive. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just have to go into the bottom right corner and tap on Files. And here we just have to tap on last modified in the top left corner, and then we can select the name. And as you can see here, it's going to be organized by the name of the documents. So it's going to be in alphabetical order. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.